This is BMP Media Plumbing Group's Mike Miazga here today with RIDGID's Christopher Burton. Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you.
A lot of different things coming out new tool-wise for RIDGID. We'll start with the standard press tool, your 340 version, a little bit smaller in size than the previous iteration.
It is, and you can really see the difference here. In front here we have the new RP340 press tool, and behind it here we have the older RP340 press tool. You can see a big difference, 30% smaller, 17% lighter, and some really cool features. So I'll let you take this big guy.
Yeah, we'll get him off to the side.
That's right, and we can focus here on the 340. So a lot of the great features that you've come to expect here with the standard series press tool uses our existing standard press jaws, and really the great thing about this tool, it presses up to 4-inch in capacity, so that's really big. 1/2 inch to 4-inch in copper and stainless steel. Other great features that you've really come to expect here, onboard diagnostics, LED indicators, let you know the power status of the tool, the bolt sensor, or when the tool needs service. Another great feature that we added really on the request of our customers is this great workspace illumination light. So if you're in dark spots, up in hard to reach places, you don't need a flashlight or another type of lantern light. It really does all the work for you.
Now, another key point, this nice little doodad here. Cordless technology versus corded technology. You guys have kind of, merged both on the job site. Can you go into a little bit of detail on that? Yeah.
We have. That's a big difference. So with the 330, we used to have a battery powered tool and a corded power tool. Well, now with the launch of the 340, we really just have one tool that a user can customize any way they want to. So here you can see it. It has the new advanced lithium battery in it. Take that out, and you can put in this AC power adapter. So this is brand new for RIDGID and really great technology, so that if a customer is on a job site where they can't access power, they can absolutely use the batteries. If they're in a prefab environment or their batteries lose charge, they can quickly stick in the AC power adapter, plug it into any power outlet or surge protector, and be good to go.
A lot of confidence for a contractor on a job site to have both those options at their fingertips.
Absolutely, like an insurance policy.
Sure. How about a demonstration?
Yeah, absolutely. So I'll give this AC power adapter to you, and stick in the advanced lithium 2 battery that comes standard with all the
safety glasses on here.
That's right, safety glasses. So we've already done some of the work for you here. Of course, if you're starting this job from scratch, you're going to take a piece of copper, of course, use a tubing cutter, and of course use a deburr reamer tool just to prep the pipe. Make sure that it's all set to go. I've already done some of the work here just to make this a little bit easier, but of course you'll use the Viga Pro Press depth insertion gauge just to make sure that you seat the fitting at the appropriate depth on the piece of copper. And of course, I'll just take here a Viga Pro Press copper fitting, slide it on the copper tubing, give it a slight twist, and make sure that it's seated appropriately along that line that we marked on there earlier. Turn on the 340. Open the jaws, and you'll just stick that fitting right in between the jaws, and just push the trigger.
We tried this earlier in the day here, and that's a pretty smooth process there.
It sure is, and you can see in 4 seconds you've just made that press. And so that's impressive here for a 1/2 inch fitting, but that same time it will take to make a fitting even all the way up to 4 inches, and that's where you're really going to get your time savings.
How about the key stats? How many presses per battery charge, and what kind of lifespan on the tool?
Yep. So it comes with, as we see here, the advanced lithium 2 battery, more than 200 presses per charge. There's also an optional advanced lithium 4. It's a 4 amp hour battery. Gives you even more presses per charge. If you're in an environment where you don't want to switch batteries that often or have the ability to charge them, you can just use the higher capacity advanced lithium 4 battery.
And working contractors get their mitts on this.
You can get it at your local plumbing distribution house. It's available today, including the AC power adapter.
Wonderful. Good to see you again.
You as well. Thanks.